Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1971 Camaro Z28 Tribute. It's finished in blue. It's got a recent paint job on it. 383 stroker under the hood. Power steering, power brakes. MSD 6AL. Blaster 2, MSD distributor. These look like Hooker competition headers. Nice big Be Cool radiator up front. Looks like a 4-core. These are actually Headman headers. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Got a 700 R4 trans, overdrive transmission. Staggered custom wheels. Got a really nice stance to it. Paint is beautiful. Beautiful straight body. Disc brakes up front, and drum in the rear, subframe connectors. Interior's pretty stock. Buckets, console. Showing 81,440 miles. Beautiful dash pad. Sunpro Gauge Pac. This looks like a B&M Ratchet shifter. Seat belts all the way around. Motor's fairly fresh, runs real strong. It's like a 3-inch Cowl hood. Spoiler. Really nice. Got a little bit of metallic in it. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.